Good morning, students. This is class 9 science, chapter cell, the fundamental unit of life. Today we are going to study about endoplasmic reticulum, which is also known as ER, endoplasmic reticulum or ER. The endoplasmic reticulum is a reticulum or network of tiny tubular or sheet-like structures bounded by a membrane. They are a network of tiny tubular or sheet-like structures which are bounded by a membrane. It is found scattered in the cytoplasm. ER is found scattered in the cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. A cell has two types of ER. First is RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is also known as RER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has a rough appearance under a microscope due to the presence of ribosomes attached to its surface. I'll show you just a minute. See. Endoplasmic reticulum. This is the picture of endoplasmic reticulum. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum. These dot-like structures, they are ribosomes. They are ribosomes which are site of protein synthesis. These ribosomes are attached on the surface of RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and these ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis and they are present in all active cells. The protein synthesized over here is transported to different parts of the cell based on their requirements. So this is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is rough due to the presence of ribosomes. This is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. We'll study about it. Yes. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now, what is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? The surface of smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have any ribosomes attached to it. That is the reason it is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum, because its surface is smooth. It cannot synthesize protein, but it helps in the synthesis of fats and lipids. It helps in the synthesis of fats and lipids. Means fats and lipids are synthesized in SER and protein are synthesized in RER. Now we'll study about the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Functions of endoplasmic reticulum. The first function is support. The first function of endoplasmic reticulum is support. Support. The network of endoplasmic reticulum provides mechanical support to the cytoplasm. It provides support to the cytoplasm. The second function is transport. It serves as a channel for the transport of material. It serves as a channel for the transport of materials between different parts of the cytoplasm or between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Third function is synthesis. It RER synthesizes protein while SER synthesizes lipids and fats. Then fourth is membrane biogenesis, which is very important function. The proteins and lipids synthesized by the ER membranes help in the synthesis of cellular membrane. That is why it is known as biogenesis or membrane biogenesis. It helps in building the membrane. The next function is detoxification. Detoxification. What do you understand by detoxification? The SER, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, brings about detoxification of many drugs and toxic substances in the liver cells of the vertebrates. So in this way, it helps in detoxifying the body. The next function is biochemical reactions. What are biochemical reactions? The membrane of SER have numerous enzymes which catalyze various biochemical reactions. Its membrane have various enzymes which help in the synthesis of, which helps to catalyze various chemical reaction. And the last function is source of energy. The membranes of ER are the site of ATP synthesis also. They act as a source of energy for the metabolism and transport of materials within the cell. So it is a very important cell organelles. In the picture, it is also very clear. This is the smooth, this is the rough. These are ribosomes and these are nuclear envelopes. I hope you've understood. Thank you and have a nice day.